Okay, so me and Kat are on fly patrol, and we've got the two colors of Ireland, man.
Yes. Southern.
We certainly hope that orange is southern and blue is north, but if we're wrong, you
Green.
can feel free to collect... Oh, wait, what?
You said blue is north, bro.
Oh, well, green is north. We hope that we're correct, but if not, so we're going... Fly! We must kill the fly!
Yes!
Yes! Score one. One dead, 3 to go.
You're lucky you were outside, bro.
Bro, I found one. Get it. On that windowsill. Ah! Two down, 2 to go. He's like, help me. Is it still alive?
Partially. Foot.
It's twitching. We're fucked up, man. Put it out of its misery. Okay.
Yeah. Well, like the police are open, you know, look it too hard.
Yeah. Alright. This is entertaining.
I know, right?
This is like a scavenger hunt for flies.
There's the red M&M. And the red M&M.
Flies outside, man.
And
I don't think there's any more flies. We need to go check for flies, man.
check what?
We already got 2 of them, man. Grandma said to be here by 4:30, but we like to be places.
Oh, she
early.
did.
Yeah, but we're like,
We don't even start till 5.
yeah, I know, but we like to be here in case someone needs help. Don't we, Kat?
Yes.
I see no more flies. Should get out of the kitchen.
Yeah.
How you doing, Charlotte?
Oh, I'm putting them down. Oh.
Well, here, do you want us to do something for you?
Nope, I'm all done. Just we got the meat in the oven, so I don't want to put the bread out yet in the basket.
Okay.
So basically, right now, put the flowers.
We're hunting for flies. I don't see any more besides the 2 we already done killed.
Yeah. Well, no one's coming in there anyway. Oh, that door's open. No, it's not.
How are the flies supposed to get in? Did you find one?
No.
Oh.
Because you're like, how are the flowers supposed to get in?
Oh, dude, look at this. It's got clovers and shit on it. Cool. Isn't that entertaining?
Yeah.
Well, I don't see anymore.
Green garbage can right around the corner.
Yeah.
End of the day bullet, man. That feels. Let's see.
I'm derping all over the place today, aren't I?